I know this is not the first time that you guys have seen the plot diagram with the 5 elements of plot, but just to recap that the exposition is the introduction of the story. It's where we get our basic information about the characters, and there's usually hints to the source of conflict that's to come. The rising action is where we have some sort of inciting incident. Emotions are heightened, and it all leads up to that climax, or the point of the highest emotional intensity. There's a unique and irreparable change that happens, and nothing is ever the same after that turning point. The falling action is when our emotions are kind of released. And the tension is decreased and leading us to our conclusion. Notice I don't say resolution, because a lot of times we don't get that sense of resolve at the end of a short story or a novel. There's still that unpredictability, what really happened, what happens next type of thing. I say conflict, conclusion, because this is where we get some sort of restabilization and things come to a close.